Alright my people, how una dey? So I don't carry another update carry come. So the last video wey I make, I tell una say if una wan make I compare FunTv and Cheelee. So today I go enter my comment section, make we see how many people comment Cheelee. If you dey see me for the first time, my name na Solomon. Wetin I dey do be say if I see any update wey dey available, I go come here come talk about if e dey okay, abi no dey okay. I go come here come share my opinion. If you want to collect better update for my hand, make sure you like this video, share this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel so that you go dey collect better update for my hand. You understand? Abeg make you no forget to comment where you dey watch this video for comment section. I go really appreciate if you do that one for me. So make we enter my comment section, make we see how many people comment Cheelee for that particular video. Now the video be this one I make about FunTv. This was 3 days ago. Now I make this video. So make I click the comment section, make we see. Okay, the first person say Cheelee, and the first Cheelee be that. The second person again say Cheelee here. Another person here say Cheelee, another one say Cheelee, another one say Cheelee. So this one can be say people want make I talk about this particular update with Cheelee, make I compare the both of them. So now waiting I want do today be that. I beg make you no forget say this one no be financial advice. Me I no be financial advisor. Now my opinion why I just come here con dey share based on my experience where I don't use this update for some time. So anything why they talk here now based on my experience, you understand? So first of all, we go talk about waiting these platforms and they all about. We go talk about their opportunities where they offer, and we go talk about their payout system, and we go compare the two of them, which one they easy pass, which one makes sense pass, which one they pay pass, which one they active pass. I go pick one of these apps, I go talk about one of them at a time, make we see how they dey. Now the first app I go talk about na Cheelee. They launched Cheelee on the 20th of February 2023. So now 2023 where they launched Cheelee app, you understand? And Cheelee app get 4.5 stars on Google Play Store, over 267,000 review on Google Play Store. You get over 10 million downloads because these guys and they run ads very well. The more they watch the videos on their feed, the more they go they reward you. Now waiting Cheelee talk be that, but they can't get some more problem. The glass we then give you here go soon expire because after you don't they use and they watch for their feed, the thing will soon expire. After the glass expire, you know if you withdraw the money with your account. So for you to be able to withdraw, then say you self you need to buy their glass. Now where we problem can't they be that because number one, some people know sabi how to buy the glasses. Number two, some people no can't get money to buy the glass. Don't do another video about Cheelee, how you go take buy a glass and all those stuff. If you want see I be don't do the video drop. This one no be tutorial, this one na review I won't con drop. You understand? But if you want see I be don't do the video drop, just check the comment section or check the description. I be don't do that video. The glass where you buy they expire after every 30 days if you use every day. But you get how you go day, you know use the glass and the thing go past 30 days because you know use them. You understand? Go just day there. But if you use them consistently every single day, 30 days now be the maximum for the glass to expire. Make we talk about their withdrawal because now here way the thing can't dey somehow. So when I started to use this platform before, once you don't collect small thing like that, you just place your withdrawal, then go convert them from their currency will be Lee, and go put them to Naira, send them to your account. Another method can come out. Now this next method will come out. They say you need to transfer your Lee from your internal wallet to your external wallet. After you don't transfer and put for your external wallet, from there you go fit withdraw and put for your trust wallet. The thing we can be say if you want transfer this thing from internal to external, you need BNB. You need BNB, you understand? Because if you don't use BNB for transaction fee, no go fit. People where they get issues with this platform, they advise now for you to use this method what I just talk now. And you need to get BNB. So you need to get BNB for transaction fee. So now so we Cheelee dey. Now make we talk about FunTv. So FunTv na another app to we come and talk say if you use their platform they watch dramas, short Korean dramas, and they go they collect small thing and waiting then talk be that. And this one now they can't get 4.4 stars on Google Play Store and just 1,000 review then get over 500,000 downloads. I mean the thing don't skyrocket because 3 days ago it be there 100,000. So from 3 days ago till now it don't skyrocket from 100,000 download to 500,000 download. They launched this app on the 30th of June 2025. So now just 3 months ago where they launched this app, you understand? So you already get 500,000 downloads from Google Play Store. So far, what be the things where me I don't see about this particular FunTv? First of all, FunTv to sign up, they simple, you understand, very easy, anybody fit use them. And secondly, to watch their dramas, they simple, anybody fit access them. And thirdly, for now, I don't know about the future. But for now, you know they pay anything na free. You understand? For now, you know they pay anything na completely free. You understand? You know they pay anything. And they also get their referral program where they say if you invite your friends, they collect. And also, yeah, based on what I don't see, they say they withdraw here na PayPal. So you need PayPal to withdraw. And then you need plenty coins. What will be the difference between FunTv and Cheelee? Make we compare the both of them. First of all, Cheelee you go pay, you go buy glass for you to start. FunTv, you know they pay anything, na completely free for now. I don't know about the future. Secondly, Cheelee get plenty art. Then get art on their feed as you scroll, they go. Then get art everywhere. FunTv too, that one no the exemption. All of them then get art like crazy. So you go you go they watch art, they watch art up and down. And second thing be that the 13, the both of them get affiliate program. 14 year now withdraw. Cheelee if you withdraw with their currency, because I know go call Naira because their Naira withdraw, I know they work again. You understand? And so Cheelee if you withdraw with their currency, upon all they complain, when people don't complain, they know 1 year, they just they leave and like that. I don't know why, but people don't they leave their platform. Now FunTv, they say na PayPal. They don't get any other payment method apart from PayPal for now, and based on my location. So if you say make I choose between Cheelee and FunTv, well, I don't go fit choose because I don't collect money for Cheelee before. I never collect money from FunTv before, although I get their minimum withdrawal will be $5, but I don't go fit come on $5 because it's too small. So I get 5 million coin will be $5, but if I want come out, I go fit come out and when it don't reach like $50 to $100, so I could just keep on there so that it go make sense. But in case it reach time to withdraw and I know if you can withdraw, well, sorry for me, I could still come back on do video tell una say this platform says in there, you know, makes sense. So I know if you withdraw, so now I make me just keep them there. So tell me what you think about these two platforms. Tell me what you think. Which one will you like? Which one you don't they use? Which one will still they use? Which one will you like past? Which one you hate past? I know if you make choice give you now, you know what you like now, you know what you want. But I don't they use the both of them. I go fit tell you I don't withdraw from Cheelee before you can start to get that withdrawal issues, and I never withdraw from FunTv before, but I don't get my minimum withdrawal. So I they use the both of them currently now. So I won't wait to see if I go fit come on my money from FunTv. I go still come here, can do another video, inform and say see as this platform day and see as it day. So tell me what you think for comment section. I go see you now for another video. Bye for now.